I would rather say I'm a maker. Like, I like to make things, and when I came here I didn't have a job. I came here with nothing, so I thought I would start a music festival, and I thought I would do it with crowdfunding. So that's the biggest thing I think I started here. And the second one is the beer, so when I came here I started brewing beer. It's always the same, let's say, steps in process, and I know what kind of combination I want to do. And when you cook spaghetti, let's say, you don't measure, okay, 3 grams of salt. You know, you just like do like a bit of the feeling, and that kind of brings you maybe more joy when you're cooking.
Ja sam ga vidio na Kilimanjaru sa hrvatskim grbom.
Sa hrvatskim
popeo sam na Kilimanjaru i imao je hrvatski grb naš.
Hrvatsku majicu.
Mislim da se nije bio uređen pane u Hrvatskoj. Ako ne bi bio, znaš ono, znači more, Zagreb je mali, imaš planine, imaš ono, niski kriminal, opušteno nam je ovdje, fakat je dobro.
I really like brewing here because it's like you go to the farm, you go to the nature. This day out, you know, you come with friends, you're cooking a barbecue, you're cooking beer, you listen to some music, you know, it's like this whole, let's say, for me it's like ideal Sunday afternoon, you know, you're living the beer.